they'll be stuck for sure. I think we'll probably just have to wait it out and help them out. Although their mate up there stopped.
You're going to be up.
Full drive.
Yeah, wow, they are so lucky.
Yeah.
We'll give them that video.
You got a dash cam?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's pretty slippery. Yeah, I have to be quite careful.
You just fucking roll it. Yeah.
Yeah, that was so lucky.
Touchdown over west of Harlow, which was pretty much right here.
Cool, going in a tornado. Fuck yeah. Oh, I don't know.
That was 10 minutes ago. Interesting.
Well,
that was
not bad. Can you take a screenshot?
That was actually just before I put that report down of the high wind. So
can you just screenshot that? Because I want to know where that was and see if anyone got photos and stuff.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Save image. Display window.